Hello Stamper, welcome to Frenchie's video. I'm France Martin, independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up, and today it's a tip video that I share in many of my videos. And I was live a couple weeks ago, and when I shared this, they went, "Oh, that is a great tip." I'm like, I guess not everybody watch all the video. They watch bits and pieces of the video. When they get what they need, they stop. Well, what is this about? It's, let's say you get this piece here, you already stamped it, or even if it would not be stamped, you get like scrap paper that you need to cut smaller. Take a post-it note, and I like to put it in the back so then it don't interfere with my lines. And let's say that I want to cut shorter at the top. Well, if you go here, it's hard to leave it straight, and let's say I want it right there. Well, sometime when you close this, it move. So with the post-it note, let's say I want to just cut barely the top there. I'm going to line that up. You need a place to make sure you can line that up. Close this. After it's closed, you know that it's straight. Put your finger on the cutter so it don't move. And voila, perfectly straight cut. So this was about almost 3/4. So it would be the same with this. I want just a little bit bigger than 3/4. So I would come here and go a little bit than 3/4, just past my line of 3/4, and cut this, et voila. Now I got my perfect mount for this. So that's simple. The same thing with the post-it note with I'm laughing, I can hear the dog, with a punch. So let's say I got a small piece here and I try to put it in, and see, I cannot reach. See, I would miss a piece. Again, you're going to take this, put it in the back, your scrap paper in the back of your scrap paper, and push it in. So now you get the place to move. The only thing, you see this was sticky, you want to make sure just put the part, not the sticky part that you're going to slide in, because that's going to reach and stop the sliding. Put it that way. So now see, now I can move it much easier. I can twist that around and I got it. That's simple. So all these tips with the post-it note, hope this is going to help you. And also I'm going to have this card finished share with this here. While I get you here, those corner, let me share with you quick while we're talking about tips. I took the 1-inch punch, and then I cut this in 4. So cut in 2. And then cut again. So then I just use Tombow in the back, the point of the pie, go in the corner, and you get your perfect corner. So this is it. And I use this card also for out to mail with a lot of embellishments. So I'm going to tie the video to this. At the end, you're going to have another link to another video. All this stamping product can be purchased on my blog at frenchiestamp.com. Right below you get the direct link, or above in the eye. Thank you and have a lovely day, my friend. Bye-bye for now.